Users often encounter the frustration of iCloud backup taking forever, leading to concerns about efficiency and functionality. In this exploration, we delve into the reasons behind the extended backup times, offering insights into potential solutions and alternative approaches. Part 1. Why is my iCloud backup taking so long? Unstable or weak internet connection, excessive iPhone data, outdated iCloud backups, iOS system issues. Part 2. How long should it take to back up my iPhone? The time required depends on factors such as the type of files being backed up and the speed of your Wi-Fi network. This process can range from 30 minutes to several hours. Part 3. How to fix iCloud backup. Taking forever to speed it up? Method 1. Check Wi-Fi connection. Method 2. Free up storage on iPhone. Method 3. Avoid large file backup. Method 4. Remove useless backup. Method 5. Delete inessential data. Method 6. Update iPhone to the latest OS. Method 7. Reboot your iPhone. Part 4. Best alternative to iCloud Backup Assistant for iOS. Speedy Backup. Mobican Assistant for iOS Win and Mac is recommended. This tool offers a backup speed several times faster than iCloud, ensuring a quick and efficient process for securing iPhone data. Follow the steps to see how to back up iPhone via Assistant for iOS. Download and launch Assistant for iOS. Connect iPhone via USB. Select data types and specific content from the left sidebar. Click Export to save files to your computer. Designate a backup location.